guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I will make a hair mask, a hair bag. You can see I'm having so tangled hair. Of course ये मेरा everyday का problem होता है. मेरा hair बहुत tangled होता है. मैं जब भी open करके रखता हूँ hair में कहीं पे जाता हूँ तो जब वो dust आता है, जब वो air जितना air pollution जितना भी गंदा है सब जब absorb होता है, जो sun है, sun का rays जब absorb होता है, तब मेरा hair बहुत dry हो जाता है. And also it gets stuck and बहुत tangled हो जाता है. For that I always use one thing, coconut oil and egg. So guys, let's just not waste our time. Let's just get into the video and I'll show you how do I make it and how do I apply it. If you want your hair to be tangle free, soft, silky, then you have to apply this pack twice in a week. And yes guys, result तो आपका सामने ही है. Like one wash में you can see मैंने hair comb नहीं किया था. You can see कि ये कैसे smoothly निकल रहा है. So guys, that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. And yes, don't forget to click the bell button to see my new and latest video for first. I hope to see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.